Welcome. Let's burn fat and build strength in just 10 minutes. Let's begin. Come to your hands and knees. From your knees, measure 1 forearm's length and 1 palm forward. Keep your palms flat and fingers spread. Inhale, roll shoulders back, belly drops, chest open. Cow. Exhale, belly in, spine rounds, chin tucked in. Cat. Repeat for 4 more rounds. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, feel your spine waking up. Exhale, move with your breath. Inhale. Common mistake here, keeping your shoulders tensed up near your ears. So gently relax your shoulders down and away from your ears as you move. Exhale, round. Last round. Inhale, open. And exhale, abdomen in, chest in, chin in. Let's add a gentle wave movement. Inhale, lift your chest, cow. Exhale, draw your belly in, elbows down, hips back, forehead down. Child's pose. Inhale, lead with your chest. Repeat for 4 more rounds. Inhale, open. Exhale, abdomen in, elbows down, hips back, forehead down. Feel the gentle crunch in your abdomen. Inhale, open. Exhale, back. This turns your arms back and gently opens your hip. Inhale, open. Exhale, go back. Listen to your body, stay within comfort and never push into pain. Last round, inhale, open. Exhale, abdomen in, elbows first, hips and then your forehead. Now we add one more movement. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, tuck your toes, lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Let's flow through all 3, cat, child and down dog. Inhale, open. Exhale, abdomen in, elbows down, hips down, forehead down. Inhale, lead with your chest and exhale up. Keep your knees bent, spine long and elbows soft. Inhale, open. Exhale, abdomen in, elbows down, hips down, forehead down. Inhale, lead with your chest. Exhale, hips up. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed. Inhale, open. Exhale, abdomen in, elbows down, hips down, forehead down. Inhale, lead with your chest and exhale, hips up. Palms grounded to the mat. Inhale, open. Exhale, abdomen in, elbows down, hips down, forehead down. Inhale, lead with your chest. Exhale, hips up. It's okay to bend your knees, just keep your spine long. Last round, inhale, open. Exhale, back. Each round makes you stronger. Repetition is your power. Inhale, lead with your chest and exhale, hips up. 3 movements, 1 breath at a time. From hands and knees, touch big toes together and gently widen your knees. Now lower into child's pose. Hips back to heels, forehead resting down, arms relaxed. This posture helps release any tension built up in the shoulders, wrist and lower back. It calms your nervous system, slows the breath and give your body a moment to observe the work you have done. From child's pose, inhale and glide forward. Separate your knees and feet hip width apart. Shoulders over wrist and keep your hips level. Exhale, shift back to child's pose. Repeat this 8 times. Inhale, glide forward, shoulders over wrist. Exhale, hips back. Inhale, notice how your wrist and shoulders begin to wake up. Exhale, back. Inhale, engage your core gently. Don't let the belly sag. Exhale, back. Inhale, feel your chest open, neck neutral. Exhale, back. Inhale, always keep your shoulders away from your ears. And exhale, back. Inhale, don't drop your hips down, just move it forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, while locking your elbows, keep a micro bend. Last one, move slow and steady. Notice the burn in your arms and shoulders. Let's just sit in Vajrasana or any comfortable seated position and gently move your arms and release any tension you're holding. It's important to release tension in between. This gives overworked muscles a break, improves circulation and prevents stiffness or injury. Let's move into next sequence. Come to your hands and knees, tuck your toes, lift your hips and raise into downward facing dog. Keep your spine long. If your back is rounding, bend your knees slightly. That helps lengthen the spine. Now start pedaling your legs. Press one heel down at a time. Feel the stretch in your calves and the burn in your hamstrings. Let's keep pedaling a few more times, slow and steady. Stay connected to your breath. Press your hands firmly into the mat, especially the base of your index finger and thumb. Gently pull your shoulders away from your ears and let your upper back feel wide. Don't worry if your heels don't touch the mat, just keep your back long. Take your right leg up and step it outside of the right hand. Now open your right arm up, twist gently and open your chest to the side. Exhale, bring your hand down and step back into downward dog. Now repeat on the other side. Left leg forward, left arm opens. This is often called the world's greatest stretch because it opens your hips, hamstrings, spine and shoulders all at once. Open to the right. Let your chest open with your breath, not force. Exhale back. Open to the left. Twist from the spine, not the shoulders. Exhale back. Inhale, open. Keep your back leg strong as you reach through your top fingers. Exhale back. Inhale, open. Your foot can land wherever it comfortably reaches. Exhale back. Inhale, open. Breathe into the space you're creating. Exhale back. Inhale, open. You're not just stretching the body, you're expanding your energy. Exhale back. Inhale, open. Every twist is a chance to release tension. Exhale back. Last one. Inhale, left leg to the front. Open the chest. Feel the stretch and exhale back. Now gently lower into child's pose. Take your hips back, forehead resting down. Breathe into your shoulders and upper back. Stay here for a few deep breaths, about 20 to 30 seconds, and just allow your body to soften. Now sit in Vajrasana or any comfortable position. Hold onto your elbows, lift up and gently bend onto one side. Feel the stretch through your side body and shoulders. Inhale to center, exhale to the other side. Now gently move your hands side to side, allowing your spine to twist softly. Keep your movement light and easy. There's no need to force. Twisting helps release stored tension in your back and massages your internal organs. Let your shoulders stay relaxed, your breath steady as you move. Now I will strengthen the shoulders and tone the arms. Come to your hands and knees. From here, bend only your elbows. Lower your forearms down to the mat and then lift back up. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you lower. Do not arch your back. Keep your core engaged. Only the elbows move. The rest of your body stays stable. Keep repeating for a few more rounds. Stay mindful of your wrist. Press evenly through your palms. As you lower, don't tense your shoulders. Keep them relaxed and away from your ears. Focus on control, not speed. Keep going. Repeat the movement until you start to feel that burn in your arms. That's when the muscles are waking up and the real change begins. You're getting stronger with every round. Let's do a quick tension release for the shoulders. Start flapping your elbows like wings. Yes, it might look a little funny, but it works. Sometimes the simplest moves bring the biggest relief. Let's do a simple but intense workout for the legs. Tuck your toes under and sit back on your heels. Gently lift your knees just a few inches off the floor. Reach your arms forward for balance. Start raising your hips up and down, small controlled movements. You'll feel the burn in your thighs, calves, and even your core. Keep your spine long and your shoulders relaxed. Stay with it. That fire you feel, that's your body getting stronger. Few more times, just keep raising up and down. Now sit back into Vajrasana to release the tension built up in your legs. Feel the stretch in your thighs and let your breath slow down. This simple pose helps your legs recover and reset. If you can't sit comfortably in Vajrasana, please don't force it. It can put pressure on your knees. Last strong move for today. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together and open your knees. Interlace your fingers and stretch your arms forward. As you exhale, lean forward from your hips and feel your core engage. Inhale, draw your knees in and shift your body back. Keep moving. Exhale forward, inhale back. You'll feel the burn in your inner thighs, hips and belly. This move not only strengthens your core but also improves hip flexibility and help reduce stubborn belly fat over time. Always listen to your body during any exercise. If you feel any joint pain, whether it's in your shoulders, knees, wrists, or back, pause or adjust the posture. You can reduce the intensity or do fewer reps. Muscle burn is okay, that means it's working, but sharp joint pain is a signal to stop or modify. Now gently relax on your knees. Take a few breaths. Let's end with a short gratitude prayer. Bring your palms together at your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for moving, for making time to care for your body and mind. Thank your body for everything it has done for you today, for its strength, its comfort, and its presence. Carry this gratitude with you as you step into the rest of your day.